Hello everyone. In today's video, we would like to introduce a special piece of equipment, a 500 kilograms per hour electric steam boiler designed and manufactured by DIVI Group. This is more than just a typical industrial machine. It was designed in the shape of a robot, like a living body inside the factory, operating quietly, accurately, and reliably. The main body of the boiler is a large cylindrical vessel divided into two clear sections, symbolizing the human body, the place where energy is stored, steam is generated, and the heart of the entire system operates. Perpendicular to the main body is another cylindrical section, the head of the robot. On this head section, two pressure gauges are positioned symmetrically like eyes, constantly monitoring the operating condition of the system. In the center is the steam temperature sensor, like the robot's nose, continuously sensing and responding to the steam temperature. On both sides are two safety valves like strong ears, always ready to release pressure whenever any risk appears. At the top is the air vent valve, a small detail but an important component for maintaining system stability. On both sides of the robot's body are two arms with completely different functions. The right arm is the transparent water level gauge, allowing operators to directly observe the water level inside the boiler. The left arm is the protected water column, where low water level probes are installed, acting as a safety sensing system to prevent dangerous situations. The robot's legs are formed by two pipelines, one for water supply and one for blowdown discharge. Besides their operating functions, these legs are also designed to provide a stable foundation for the entire system, keeping the equipment balanced during operation. Hidden inside the robot's body is the heating system, consisting of 8 high-capacity electric heating elements. These heating elements are made from stainless steel 316 with Japanese imported cores, ensuring durable and stable continuous operation. But the special features do not stop there. Inside the boiler, a magnesium rod is integrated, a feature rarely found in standard designs. The magnesium rod acts as a sacrificial electrode, reducing scale and deposits on the heating elements. As a result, the heating elements remain protected, maintaining stable heat transfer efficiency and minimizing maintenance costs throughout the equipment's lifetime. The heating element assembly is protected by multiple safety layers. Each terminal is covered with a stainless steel cap. Outside that is a sealed protective enclosure that prevents environmental impact and ensures electrical safety. Finally, the entire assembly is covered by a common protective cover, creating a fully enclosed structure that is both safe and visually refined. The robot's body is surrounded by insulation to minimize heat loss to the environment. The outer layer is covered with polished stainless steel, which not only improves mechanical durability, but also meets strict hygiene standards for the food and pharmaceutical industries. Behind the robot is the water tank, designed in a compact form and integrated seamlessly into the system. On the left side are the Feedwater pumps and valve systems, arranged efficiently for optimized operation. On the right side is the control panel, considered the brain of the robot, where all signals are processed and the system is controlled. The boiler protection system is designed with multiple layers of safety. 2 pressure switches, 1 pressure sensor, and other control devices create a multi-level overpressure protection system, ensuring maximum operational safety. But if we only talk about the structure, then it is still just an industrial machine. What truly makes the difference is the design philosophy behind it. This robot was not created simply to look like a robot. It was created so that every component has meaning, every detail has a function, and the entire system works like a real living body. During operation, the system produces no combustion noise and no smoke emissions. It quietly converts electrical energy into clean steam for industrial production. Especially when combined with renewable energy sources such as solar power, the system can operate with almost no direct emissions to the environment. This is more than just an electric steam boiler. It is a combination of engineering, design thinking, and the dedication of the manufacturing team. It is a product where machinery is no longer lifeless, but carries both the form and the spirit of its creators. Thank you very much for watching.